Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Rachel here. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreated my full face of makeup, and I'm going to review also the new e.l.f. Retro Paradise line. So we have the eyeshadow palette that I use for today's video. So before we even get started, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then we're gonna get started with the tutorial. So we're gonna get started. So I'm so excited to use this palette because this is like so beautiful. Like, look at these colors. So I think I'm gonna go with some browns, some gold, because I just have to. So for the first color, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Sandy Bum. Oh, these are actually very pigmented, even though there's a lot of fallout. We're gonna keep this like very easy to do, no like cut crease or anything like that. Just keep it nice and fast, and how I like to do my makeup. I love this color. This is such like a nice brown. So it's such a nice cool tone brown. It looks so good on my eyes. Like, I love this color. It's so pigmented, even though there's a lot of fallout. Now we're gonna go with the darker brown. So I'm gonna go in with Cacao, which is this brown right here. It's like a dark brown, and basically I'm just gonna put this on top of the other brown just to emphasize. And I'm just gonna grab a blending brush and we're gonna start blending all this in. So now for the fun part, I'm gonna grab one of these glitters. So I'm gonna swatch a few of these right here. So Paraiso, it has like some pink. I think I'm gonna go with Paraiso. It's like more yellow than pink. And like eyeshadows like this, it's kind of best to use your fingers just because it kind of goes much well, but then it kind of becomes like a foiled color. But you see how the glitter fell like right over here on my cheeks, but that's okay because we're gonna clean that up. So now I'm just gonna go with a Sandy Bum and blend this all in. And I'm gonna grab, so this Night Life, it's more like a blue tone, so I'm gonna go with Coconut, which is also a dark brown. I am a big fan of e.l.f., so I knew this was gonna be like one of my favorite palettes. I'm obsessed with the Bite Size Minis eyeshadow palettes. So when I saw this one, I was like, wow, I need to get this palette. And I'm gonna grab my liquid eyeliner. So this is Wet and Wild. And I'm just gonna grab a makeup wipe and I'm gonna remove all the glitter that fell on my cheeks. Oof. And by the way, these are from Kirkland. So these, you can find these at your local Costco. You can get a big ass box for $13. Okay, so now I'm just gonna jump into my face and I'm gonna go in with True Match from L'Oreal. To my face, I'm gonna go in with my liquid concealer from NYX Cosmetics. And of course, my favorite concealer, it's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one is in medium beige. We're gonna go with our e.l.f. and this is the matte setting powder, which I told you guys that I'm obsessed with this powder. So affordable, and I can't believe that it actually is so good. Does it give you that flashback? And I don't know, I'm pretty obsessed with this powder at the moment. And I'm just gonna grab my face brush and basically I'm just gonna press on my skin back and forth. Then of course my bronzing, you guys already know. City bronzer from Maybelline, so good. And then just for some blush, this is the e.l.f. Always Cheeky blush. And for mascara, I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. And now going back with the eye palette, we're gonna grab the Cacao eyeshadow, and basically we're gonna smudge our under eyes. And I'm just gonna grab another blending brush, and I'm gonna grab cacao just to smoke out right over here at the ends, just to touch up. And then I'm just gonna apply some mascara underneath my lashes. So now I'm gonna go for lashes. I'm gonna go with my Beauty Creations. These are in Go Off lashes. So the eyelashes are on, and these are Go Off, and they're so cute. So I think this will look even better if I just put some black eyeliner in my waterline, just to intensify. But then I also picked up the e.l.f. This is the Retro Paradise lip kit, which I was like, a lip kit? e.l.f. I don't think has lip liners, and they came out with the brown lip liners. There's a pink one, but I just don't look good in like pink or bright pink colors, so I'm not even gonna use this one at all. So this lip liner, so this one looks like the darkest one than the other. There's like a nude, and then this one looks more of a light. Yeah, so let's line our lips. Oh my gosh, this is such a good brown. It's very matte. It's like a matte finish. Oh my god, hopefully they come out with more lip liners. e.l.f. Wow. So then it came with a lip gloss. So this is a lip kit. This is Dream On lip gloss. Oh wait, it's called A Moment. So it's just a clear gloss. Ooh, with some shimmer in it. So it does have a scent. So you could definitely, okay, so it does have some glitter, and you could definitely feel the glitter on your lips. Like, it's a lot of glitter, so not a fan of that, but it looks really good. So I mean, the it's not sticky at all, but still it has too much glitter. So I'm just taking off any like powder that landed on my hair. But I also picked up this is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Glow Up Body Oil. So, and I also picked up the brush. So I'm really excited because I love and I'm obsessed with body bronzers, body oils. So if you guys haven't seen my favorite body bronzers, I'll put it right over here. It's like face and body video. And I mean, look at this brush. Wow, so soft. So I'm gonna do like my neck and my arms. So I picked up my foundation just a little bit darker because my arms are getting very tan when I go run. Oh, it's a pump. So let's put it right here. Wait, let me shake it. Can you guys see? And I would wear white when I'm gonna try to put this on. So it gives you like a shimmer. You can see right here. So let's try on my arms, just so you can see like a better version. This actually has a fragrance. It smells like kiwi, like tropical. It doesn't smell like coconut. Pineapple fruit extract. So that's what it smells like. Some pineapple. So this looks so good for like if you're wearing a swimsuit, if you're wearing like a strapless shirt, you can show off the shoulders. I should have worn a shirt like that, but totally forgot I bought this product. I love how it smells. It literally smells like summer vibes. I am obsessed. I wish this was even bigger. I feel like I'm gonna finish this like I probably wouldn't put this on my legs just because it's a lot of glitter. Much, but apply it on your hand and then spread it. Don't apply it on the brush because I think it just like went inside. I'm obsessed with the smell. It smells so freaking good. You guys need to try this. You know what? I'm just gonna grab a sea salt and I'm gonna put it on the corners of my eyes just to give me like a little pop. Yeah, it completes the look, the e.l.f. retro paradise look. So thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend everybody get your hands on this palette because this is just like summer vibes and we need this in your life. And oh my gosh, the retro paradise glow up body oil, this is a must, like a must for summer. I got golden hour. I think they only have 2 shades, but golden hour, highly recommended. It smells so freaking good. I just want to smell this all year round. But it's not strong. The odor is not strong, but it just smells so good. And I'm obsessed with the lip liner. Not so much for the lip gloss, just because I do feel like grimy little glitters on my lips. But other than that, it just looks so good too. Like, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.